IELTS synonym that you should know. Answer, respond. Awful, dreadful. Bad, dismal. Beautiful, ravishing. Begin, commence. Big, humongous. Break, rapture. Come, arrive. Dangerous, hazardous. End, terminate. Describe, portray. Explain, elaborate. Hide, conceal. Idea, notion. Important, crucial. DM, direct message. BFF, best friend forever. OOTD, outfit of the day. NIMBY, not in my backyard. YOLO, you only live once. FOMO, fear of missing out. I see me, in case you missed it. TL, too long. DR, didn't read. Thank you so much for watching this video.